Hello, my people. Your controversial friend and brother Victor Isibo is back here with another review. Remember, I'm not an investment advisor. I just have a knack for reviewing platforms and making money online opportunities like this. So do your own due diligence. Don't take my word for it. I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions, okay? Finally, I get to talk about MTFE. I say finally because this platform has come under my radar several times. I kept putting off making a review, but it is what it is. The time has come for me to finally look at Metaverse Foreign Exchange Group, which they call MTFE. And this is their presentation slide as sent to me by my very good friend, Donald. Okay. Donald, thank you for sending me this presentation slide where all the information from every nook and cranny of the website is put up in the same place, and I have an easy job. Okay, although I'm still going to go to the website and show a few things there. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I give you my counterpunch, what I think about this website, even though this is a platform I'll be counterpunching as I am going through with the video. So stick around. It says MTFE is a global trade broker. MTFE was established in 2015 as a Canadian trading company. It is already legally traded in more than 100 countries around the world, registered with MSB, FinTrack, and obtained the Australian Government Agency Financial Services Regulatory License, so you know you are in a safe place. And they go on, to make reference to the FinTrack certificate, okay, the Money Service Business Canadian registration. Note carefully that these guys are allegedly based in Ontario, Canada. Okay, so that's why they are showing us a money service business registration by FinTrack, okay, in Canada, and also an ASIC license, okay, Australian Securities license, okay, ASIC, Australia. Very quickly, let me show you something, and I'll be back shortly. All right, this is FinTrack Money Services Business Registry Search. Okay, so I'm not going to search for MTFE whether they're listed here. I'm taking it for granted that they are listed here. I trust that they wouldn't lie. And apart from the fact that I trust that they wouldn't lie, it's not such a big deal to do money services business registration. Okay, not a big deal at all. This is the website, and I want you to read this part I am circling. Okay, and I'll read it for you as well. Registration with FinTrack does not indicate that FinTrack endorses or licenses the business. It indicates only that the business has satisfied the legal requirements to register. Now, the underlying word is this, okay, that FinTrack does not endorse or license the business, okay? And I want you guys to, take a tour of the FinTrack website and you will hear or read somewhere when they said that FinTrack's mandate is to facilitate the detection, prevention, and deterrence of money laundering and the financing of terrorist activities while ensuring the protection of personal information under its control. It is not in the jurisdiction of FinTrack to establish the legitimacy of a company or to endorse a company or encourage the members of the public to do financial business with them. FinTrack also does not have the legal powers to prosecute a company that defrauds people. That is why they went ahead to say that registration of a money service business with them is not an endorsement. It is not a license. Okay? Now, these guys also talk about having ASIC registration. Now, as a financial regulatory body over time, or as a brand or as an organization, you grow a reputation. Now, let me tell you something that is common between both FinTrack and ASIC, the two certificates that MTFE has shown us. Both of these bodies registered Intelligence Prime Capital. I know when you hear Intelligence Prime Capital, there's an explosion in your head that signifies a crash, because the crash of Intelligence Prime Capital was very loud. ASIC also gave a certificate to COTPS and Swapnex. I know there are two crashes, explosions in your head to signify the crashes of those two platforms. I have said it over and over and over again. If it is not the Securities Commissions, which is the apex financial regulatory body in a particular jurisdiction, it means absolutely nothing. It means absolutely nothing. And for a company like MTFE operating from Canada, Ontario, there is a certification that they would have that would make some sense. Let me go to the website of that regulatory body, the regulatory body in charge of the jurisdiction where MTFE is operational. And it is called what? It is called the Ontario Securities Commission. Yes, these are the ones that if MTFE registers with, they will get a license that gives them the go-ahead to operate as a forex broker. If anything goes wrong, the Ontario Securities Commission would be able to protect and defend the rights of people that are subscribed to the services of MTFE. This is where they should come. Stop going through the corners. Stop going through the corners. The Securities Commission in your home state, you're not regulated with them. You went all the way to Australia to meet ASIC. Why? Why Australia? And let me tell you another interesting thing about Forex, brokerage, financial services offering. You must be registered in your home base. Let's go back to the website real quick, to the PDF. You must be registered in your home base, one. Then any other country where you want to go and offer your services, you should be registered with the Securities and Exchange Commissions in those countries. All the apex financial regulatory bodies in those countries, you must come under their umbrella. You will not say because, oh, I'm registered in my home state as a medical doctor, then you leave your jurisdiction, you want to go and practice in another place. You would be operating in illegality. That is how it works. Let me show you another thing real quick. Look at this piece of information I got from Google. Just a simple statement of fact. The Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) of Nigeria regulates Nigerian capital markets, including companies that offer securities and derivatives such as Forex and CFDs. That means MTFE registration in its base country is not enough for them to come to Nigeria to talk to Nigerians about their services if they are not regulated by the apex regulatory bodies in Nigeria. Bars. Okay, now, in this particular case, MTFE, as at the time of making this video, is not regulated by the Ontario Securities Commission. In its own home base, in its own city, in its own town, in its own country, it's not regulated by the regulatory body that handles that jurisdiction. They say charity begins at home. Ontario Securities Commissions is not licensing you or regulating you. Yet you want to come to Nigeria and other parts of the world to sell your services. I mean, then you go to Australia to go and get ASIC. Probably because ASIC getting their license is very, very easy. If Intelligence Prime Capital could get it, COTPS could get it, Swapnest could get it, wishy-washy companies could get it, then okay, you'd rather travel to Australia to get it. Why don't you come to Nigeria and get the SEC license? The person that sent me this opportunity, Donald, you're watching this video. You are in the United States of America. Participating with mtfe would be operating in illegality in the United States of America. Donald, I'm making this video and I'm talking to you because you sent me this material. Now let's go to the website of mtfe themselves, because my very good friend who sent me this material is in the United States of America, and I wanted to show him something real quick. All right, Donald, I believe you're watching this. You're in the United States of America, Donald. I'm going to circle this part. This is the website of mtfe for your information. Okay, we're on their website. Now, Donald, this is the website of mtfe, and I wanted to show you something real quick. Okay, mtfe.ca. Look at the part I'm circling, and let's read it together. The information on this website is not directed to residents of the United States, including the person that sent me this material. Donald, you are in the United States. You're not supposed to have anything to do with mtfe. Belgium, Iran, and North Korea. And information on this website is not intended for anyone, is not intended for use by anyone in any country or jurisdiction where publication or use would violate local laws and regulations. What this one means is that any country where mtfe is not licensed to operate, don't use it. I tell you for free, the Securities and Exchange Commission in Nigeria, who is tasked with the responsibility of regulating Forex and CFD providers, does not license or regulate mtfe. So also the United States, so also Belgium, so also Iran, so also many countries across the world, so also all the countries across the world, because this particular broker is not licensed anywhere. Okay? Even in its own home state of Ontario, it is not licensed to operate. Okay? So, let's go back to the presentation slide, and I'll tell you a bit more about this platform. Now, these guys started sometime last year, and they were providing manual signals. Okay, manual signals. Then, sometime around November last year, they introduced artificial intelligence robots that allegedly trades in the crypto markets. Okay, now making it hands-free for their people. Initially, they used to give signals. You trade those signals and you make money. Then they went into robotics. Okay, especially for crypto. Now, I know a thing or two about crypto. Okay, and I know a thing or two about EA robots for Forex. I know that either ways, in the Forex or in the crypto markets, you can be non-custodial. Okay, like if you have a robot, you can link them to your broker of choice, and the robot trades with your money that is safe in your broker account, and you make your profit straight there. The same applies for crypto, where you choose your crypto exchange of choice and you link the robot via API to that exchange to trade your money. It is non-custodial if you want. But now in the case of MTFE, they are the alpha and omega. They are the robot and they are the exchange. Okay? So you really can't tell what's going on behind the scenes. Okay? Now, another very, very important point I need to make is this. Do you know any forex trader who uses MTFE as their broker? Bars. Any forex trader, any seasoned forex trader, an expert that would say, okay, who's your broker? Oh, it's MTFE. The person will tell you, no, I don't use Anzo Capital. No, I don't use Hot Forex. No, I don't use Alpari. I use MTFE. 99% of those that are using MTFE are using it because of the side attraction that comes with the returns on the kind of investment and the money making and the signals that comes with it. No independent person who is a forex trader has decided to choose MTFE as their favorite forex broker. Okay? Now, there's a way to make money from MTFE even when you refer people. Yeah, and of course, the signals that is going on, the artificial intelligence robot that they have introduced is more or less like a make money online opportunity. That kind of label is what MTFE carries. And that is how it is being promoted. Make money online opportunity. You don't see forex brokers being promoted like that, like make money online opportunities. They are only being promoted to those that are actively trading forex. Okay, so if I'm to interact with any of the robots on offer by MTFE, I would like it to be non-custodial. So it's a challenge. MTFE, you say you have a robot that can trade forex and crypto, right? I'm not doubting you. Okay, but give me the liberty or permission, okay, to have an independent exchange. Link your robot via API to that exchange. Let it trade for me. Bring your EA robot that trades forex. Let me link it to my preferred broker account. Let it trade there. Yes, that's transparency. Independent robot, independent broker or exchange. Let's see how your robot is going to work. You can't be the broker and be the robot at the same time. Bars. Bars. I even hear that they have their own MT4, MT5 stuff right now. They want to have everything so that all the information is going to be in-house. There is no independent body looking through their activities. Everything is in-house and they have all the control so that whatever information they give to you, you have to take it like that because, you know, they control everything. Okay? So conclusively, guys, MTFE is a financial broker. It doesn't have the required authorization in its home country, which is Canada. It's not licensed by the financial regulator in Ontario. Therefore, it's an illegal broker. Okay? So that's all I have to say about MTFE. If you have contrary opinion about them, then you should be talking with proofs. Maybe you could throw in the comment section below a proof that they are regulated by the Ontario Securities Commissions and all that. But that's all from me. This is just my personal opinion because it's been a long time coming. I should have done this long ago, but you know, I kept putting it away. But it is what it is. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button. Share this video within your social media community. And of course, please subscribe. And let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section below. So I see you in the next one. I remain Victor Esibo. It's bye for now.